How to insert SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus. So if you want to insert the SIM card and memory SD in Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus, then follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is ensure the device is powered off. To power off the device, you need to press and hold the power or side button and the volume down button until the power off prompt appears. Release the buttons, then tap on power off. And then remove the card tray, which will be on the lower right edge with the device in portrait orientation and display facing up. Use the SIM removal tool to unlock the tray by inserting it into the provided slot, then remove the tray. Once you remove, you will have this kind of interface where you will have the space for memory card and the SIM card. Now, do one of the following. You can insert the SD card. The SD card goes in the slot on the opposite side of the tray of the SIM card. The slot is keyed, so there is only one way to insert the SD card. Ensure the gold contacts are facing up and the notch is aligned with the SIM or the SD tray. You can simply remove the SD card. From the bottom of the card, carefully lift to remove. To assist, use the opening of the opposite side of the tray to dislodge. Now insert the card tray, then press it back into its slot until it clicks. Make sure it's secure. And in this way, you'll be able to insert the memory card or the SD card or SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.